What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on, and I think they have a somewhat of potential for either keep or quick flip. It's going to be up to you to decide. And everything that I'm going to state in this video, it's not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the first project, it's called Meta Merge Free Mint. As you can see, they have 13,000 followers. And if we scroll down, they are getting decent engagement on some of their Twitter posts, but most likely it's due to the premium link or alpha bot link to qualify for whitelist spot. And then also it's supported by this Universe DAO. I'm not sure exactly what kind of collaboration or partnership that they have, but this looks like a pretty successful project. And they also have a Discord, so you can get on the Discord and learn a little bit more about this project. Then the second project is called the Swampsters. So this one is gonna have 3,003 degen toads who wants to be on-chain immutable. So I'm not sure exactly if this is gonna be just like a free mint or it's gonna be airdrop, but it says win swamp list and get free airdrop. So that's why this project made it into this video. So it looks like if we scroll down, like this one right here, they were giving away swamp list that equals free airdrop. So if you interact with their Twitter posts, then you'll have a chance to get a swamp list or free airdrop spot. At the time of recording this video, they have 37,000 followers and they have a website, so you can check out their website just to learn a little bit more about this project. And then the third project, it's called Soulmates, free soulmate for each of you. They joined Twitter on March 2023 and they already have 24,000 followers. So if we scroll down, as you can see, their posts also getting quite a bit of engagement. Like for example, this one right here was posted on the 12th and it has 15,000 likes and 15,000 retweets. I'm sure it's due to premium link, alpha bot and etc, because that's what you have to do to qualify, because as you can see, replies to this tweet is only 152. So most of the likes and retweets came from one of the requirements for whitelist spot. But I think this project looks very cool. It reminds me of like old stylish vibe, and as you can see right here, it says 1917, so looks like they're aiming to create that old stylish vibe. And if we scroll down more, as you can see, some of their other tweets are also getting quite a bit of engagement. And this is pretty much it. There's 3 projects I'm keeping my eye on, especially this one right here, Soulmates. I think this one is gonna do very well. And all the projects that I talk about, I'm gonna leave links in the description below. And thanks for watching.